What's up?
All right, so we just, we're back from our break, and we had finished this problem. So let's look at the next problem. All right. This one says, Lisa's bedroom is 6 meters long, 4.5 meters wide. How much carpet will Lisa need to cover the floor of her bedroom? All right, so here's the 3 questions. Because when you're working word problems, I want to see these 3 questions. Number 1, what shape would her bedroom be? Think. Mr. Mitchell. It's a rectangle, I agree. All right, so the second question, what is this wanting me to do? What is my math vocabulary word that I need to know?
How much? Poke out.
Let's see who I'm not. Mr. Evans, I've not called on you today.
Okay, what is the question? Ask me. You said.
Lisa's bedroom is 6 meters long, 4.5 meters wide. How much carpet will Lisa need to cover the floor of her bedroom? What math is that question asking you about? We know 2 things. No, okay, hold on. We know we've been studying about 2 things. Perimeter. And what was the other one? Area. Okay, so we know one of them tells us that we're going to add all the sides. So if I go around this room and I add the sides of this room, will that tell me how many pieces of this tile I need to put on the floor? No. So it's not going to be perimeter, so area. All right, so what formula do I need to use? Hold on. Miss Brown, thank you.
A equals base times height.
A equals base times height. I agree. So now I'm going to draw my picture. And I'm going to put my labels. All right, real quick calculator lesson again. I have this fraction. I hate fractions. So I'm going to pick up the old trusty TI-84. I'm going to put it in my hand. Then I'm going to get my little finger and I'm going to poke it. All right. Who can tell me, who remembers, how do I put a fraction into my calculator? Miss Young.
I just say alpha. It's alpha.
Alpha.
Y.
And y equals. The green button that says alpha and y equals. All right, now this one, I wanted to have a whole number and a fraction. So which number am I going to pick? 1, 2, 3, or 4? 2. So the green button, y equals, and then 2. All right, so I got 4 1/2. So A equals base times height. 4 1/2 times 6. 27 what?
Meters
Meter.
Meters wide. Meters squared.
Meters what?
Wide.
Square. Y squared.
Meters
Meter
squared.
squared.
Squared. Why is this squared? How many dimensions am I looking at when I do area?
2.
2. I'm looking at 2 dimensions of my room instead of just the lengths of it. I'm looking at length and width. So it equals meters squared. All right. Now, Lisa's gone kind of weird.
This bedroom gonna be.
And so let's look at this. All right. Oh, I just did that. All right, so let's look at this now. Lisa's bedroom is 6 meters long, 4.5 meters wide. She wants to do red and blue carpet in her room. The room will be divided from corner to corner. How much of each color carpet will Lisa need to cover the floor of her bedroom? All right, so let's start with our 3 questions. What shape is this? Hold on. It's a rectangle because her room's a rectangle. What's this question asking me to do? This is where you answer perimeter, area, volume, distance, something that we've learned, one of your math terms. Micah.
Can you say that again?
Okay. What is this question asking me to do? How much color of carpet of each color will she need to cover the room? So am I doing perimeter, area? What's the math word that goes with this?
No.
Am I just putting it along the walls?
No.
No? So if it's not perimeter, for right now, it has to be area. Good. So what formula do I need to use? Area equals base times height.
BH Lewis.
Now, so at this time, I'm going to draw my picture. Actually, let me do a different color. All right, so I know it is 6 meters long.
4.5 meters wide.
Now, the room, she's going to do her room in 2 pieces. So she's got to buy some red carpet and she has to buy some blue carpet. The room will be divided from corner to corner. Hold on. Remember, let's not yell out. So I'm going from corner to corner. And it says part of it will be red. And the other part will be blue. How much of each color does Lisa need to buy? All right, Miss Lockett, what am I going to do?
4, and now, so 6, you get me 7, you divide by 2, you get that 6.5.
So I'm going to go, area is, now, so what formula did I really go back to and use? Don't yell out. Corey. So I started because it told me my room was a rectangle. So I started with this formula. So what did I just show you? What formula did we just go back to? We started with the area of a rectangle. We cut our room in half from corner to corner. So,
Excuse me, Ms. Goodman.
yes, ma'am.
Is Freddie here?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So I have now cut from corner to corner. So what shape did that make? Triangle. So I have just shown why the area of a triangle is the same formula as the area of a rectangle, and then divide by 2. So did we actually have to learn a new formula to go from a rectangle to a triangle? No. You just have to remember that a triangle is nothing more than 1/2 of a rectangle. All right.